Today, we're doing a deep dive on something pretty exciting, even though it's technically not even out yet.
That's right. We've got our hands on the Vivo X300 Pro Photographer's Edition kit. And since it's unannounced, we're strictly looking at, the design, the feel, the parts.
No performance talk today, just what's in the box and how it all fits together. And the unboxing itself, there's a bit of ceremony to it, isn't there?
There really is. It always feels quite special. You get this two-layer setup, the phone itself here, and then underneath you've got this whole set of accessories. It does feel intentional, like a proper system.
Definitely gives that impression. Okay, so let's get those accessories out.
Right, here's the full set.
Now, the reason we want to focus on assembly is, well, remembering the last one, the X200 Ultra version.
Oh, yeah. A lot of people find it confusing. Or they'd go out to shoot and realize they left a crucial little piece behind.
Exactly. And if you forget one specific part, the whole thing might just not work. You can't assemble it. So we want to walk you through how these bits connect.
Good plan. So first look at the phone itself. I mean, this is my first time seeing it too, and wow, that color scheme feels very high-end.
It looks it. And the back. You mentioned frosted glass.
Yeah, but it's different. It feels much finer, more delicate than usual frosted finishes. Really silky is the word that comes to mind. Comfortable to hold.
Okay, silky. I like that. Sets a premium tone right away.
It does. And thinking about that confusion last time, people getting stuck, missing parts, you really don't want that hassle when you're trying to get a shot.
No kidding. Arriving somewhere and realizing you can't put your gear together. Awful. So let's look at these accessories properly.
Okay, first up, these two rings here. They're basically decorative. For looks.
So aesthetic choice, don't need to worry too much about these for function.
Exactly. Use them if you like the look. But this is the protective case.
And you're saying this is important more than just protection?
Absolutely. This is probably the most critical accessory in the box. See this part here? It's got the built-in adapter mechanism for the lens system.
Ah, okay. So the case is the foundation.
Precisely. Let's pop off its default decorative ring for a second. Now, you take this separate lens adapter ring. See the little white dot?
Yeah, got it.
And there's a matching white dot on the case itself. You just line those up. Push it down.
Okay.
And listen. Click. Hear that?
Yeah, clear click.
That click confirms it's installed correctly. It's locked in. Now you have the base to attach the other serious bits, like the teleconverter lens. Understand the logic.
Got it.
Let's put the phone in the case now. Snaps in nicely. The final piece of the puzzle usually is the teleconverter lens. This just unscrews. And again, look, another white dot.
White dots everywhere. It's the key.
It really is the system's logic.
LA.
Align the white dot here with the one on the adapter ring we just clicked in. Give it a twist. And it's locked on. That's the full setup with the teleconverter.
Right, that looks like a serious bit of kit now. But I mean, isn't that getting a bit bulky? Kind of defeats the purpose of a phone's portability.
That's a fair point, and it's about trade-offs, isn't it? But Vivo's banking on the idea that the added functionality is worth it for certain users. And this is where the grip really shines.
How so? Beyond just holding it?
Yes. The physical dials, this is the real advantage, I think. Forget tapping on the screen for everything.
Ah, okay. Actual tactile controls.
Exactly. You can switch between video and photo, adjust focus modes, tweak your ISO, your exposure compensation, all right here on these dials. You can press the shutter button for focus. It's much faster.
I can see that, especially if you're trying to react quickly to something happening. Adjusting settings by feel rather than looking at the screen.
Precisely. Muscle memory takes over. It's more direct, more precise than hunting through menus on the glass. That's the professional workflow element they're aiming for.
And is it all or nothing? Do you have to use the big lens?
No, not at all. That's the flexibility. You could totally just use the case and the grip without the teleconverter.
Okay, so a lighter setup.
Yeah. You still get the extended battery from the grip, and crucially, you still have those physical dials for quick adjustments. So you get better handling and faster control, even without the extra lens weight.
That makes a lot of sense, a kind of halfway house.
Exactly. So wrapping up what we've seen just from the physical kit, two big takeaways, I think.
Go on.
First, that really premium, silky feel of the phone itself. It sets expectations high. And second, that white dot alignment system. It's not just assembly. It's the key to making the whole modular thing stable and usable.
Right, the foundation for those pro controls. Which leads to a final thought, really. When you see this level of modularity, the focus on tactile controls, the build quality, how close are these Photographer's Edition phones getting to actually replacing entry-level pro cameras for some people?
It's a really interesting question, isn't it?
It feels like they're pushing beyond just being a phone with a good camera into something else, something for you to think about.